Hey, what's up, guys? Today is a very special day because we are celebrating our 16th anniversary. 16 years, guys. Hindi po ito laro. Sa bagal ba naman ng internet dito sa Pilipinas, yung 16 years ay parang 160 years na patience. Hehehehe. Well, I'm just kidding, guys. Biro lang po yun. Baka maniwala naman kayo. Now, we are eating yung favorite naming Filipino dishes like fried rice, chop suey, at marami pang iba. Pero habang kumakain kami, I want to share you guys some real talk advice para sa mga nagbabalak mag-asawa, especially if you want to do it in the Christian way. Una guys, yung perfect couple is a myth. Tingnan nyo kami guys, huwag nyo kaming gagayain. Joke lang. Ibig kong sabihin, huwag kayong maghanap ng perfect couple goals. Sa 16 years namin, naku, nag-aaway din kami. Minsan nga dahil sa mabigat na issue, minsan naman dahil lang hindi ba binalik yung takip ng toothpaste. Hehehe. Ang secret, hindi kami perfect, pero perfect ang grace ng Lord sa amin. In Christian marriage, it's not two perfect people coming together. It's two forgiven sinners refusing to give up on each other. Pangalawa guys, the third person rule. Dapat may third party. Siguro isipin nyo, ha? Third party? Ano yun? Ang ibig sabihin ko ay dapat may laging third wheel. At iyon ay si Lord. Hindi pwedeng kayong dalawa lang. Pag kaming dalawa lang, naku, baka ilang taon pa lang nag-unfriend na kami sa isa't isa sa totoong buhay. Hehehe. When you are angry, instead of facing each other to argue, face God together. Hirap kayang makipag-away habang pre-pray, 'di ba? Subukan niyo kaya. Hehehe. Pangatlo guys, marriage is a service center. Hindi siya parang shopping mall. Sa mga nagbabalak diyang mag-asawa, mind check muna. Akala ng iba ang marriage ay parang mall. Pupunta ka doon para makuha yung gusto mo. I want to be happy, I want to be served. Actually, it's a service center. You enter marriage to serve the other person. Kung hugasin ng pinggan yung love language niya, sige, mag-shampoo ka ng mga plato. It's about sacrifice, just like how Christ loved the church. So, maaaring itanong nyo guys, so, madali ba ang buhay may asawa? Ang short answer ko dyan ay hindi. Ano naman yung long answer? Ang long answer ko dyan ay hindi! Just kidding guys. Pero it's worth it. Seeing someone grow with you, pray with you, and even snore beside you for 16 years, and that is a blessing. Now, to the single out there, don't rush. Build your relationship with God first. Para pag dumating yung partner mo, alam mo na kung kanino kayo kakapit pag may bagyo. Happy 16th anniversary sa aking mahal, and cheers to more food and more grace. Kain tayo! Tara, Arya!